Hi, my name is Jen Cush from Hunter Circles, and at Hunter Circles we're supporting people to build freely given relationships so that they can take their rightful place at the heart of community. What we've learned from the NDIS is that money's not enough. Money can't buy you friendship, money can't buy you love, money can't buy you belonging. And it's those freely given relationships that make all the difference in the world.
My name's Dan Galazowski. I'm originally from Adelaide. I'm a social connector because I think community needs to do this sort of thing. Yeah, we can't rely on governments to run our lives for us and all that sort of stuff. We need to, as people, come together and look after each other. And what I'm doing with Donald, I think, is part of that. It's great for me. It brings me great joy. And I like to think it brings Donald great joy. It's a little bit hard to tell with Donald at times, but I think now, after about 18 months, I pretty much understand his reactions and when he's happy, when he's not happy, and when he's agitated and whatnot. So, yeah, it's important to be a social connector. So I was watching The Drum on the ABC one night, a fair while ago now, and Samantha Connor came on, and she's a well-known disability advocate. And she basically said that if you don't have a disabled friend, then you're really not trying. And it really hit a nerve with me. It really pushed me into action because I was thinking, I don't know any disabled people. I see disabled people in the street and whatnot, but I don't know any. I don't have relationships with any. And I thought, well, I should. So one interesting experience was earlier this year, we decided that we'd go to the Blue Mountains and celebrate Donald's 63rd birthday with his family, with his brother and his sister and the extended family. And it was a little bit daunting initially because I hadn't taken Donald for an overnight trip and didn't know how he would react in that situation. But it turned out to be one of the greatest experiences I've ever had. Donald had a wonderful time at dinner, and then the next day there was a barbecue lunch, and Donald put his party hat on, birthday hat on, and then he blew out the candles. And when he blew out the candles, you could really see that he was enjoying it. He knew who he was. You know, he was with his family, with his friends, and it was such a great experience. For me, socially connecting with Donald has been an extremely rewarding opportunity and event. Continuous events. It's made my life so much richer, and I like to think it's made Donald's life richer. I remember when I was initially talking to Jen and she said, what do you want to do? And I said, well, let's go and do it. Let's just get out there and do it, because, you know, to sit on the couch and talk about it forever, we can get out there and do it. So I urge you, go on, have a go. It will make your life so much richer.